Well, here we are in rural northern China, and there's a huge ghost village out here. All empty homes. So I figured it'd be interesting to come out and explore this place. It is beautiful and peaceful out here, but it's kind of surreal because we're out here in the middle of nowhere, and you've just got this ghost town. All these homes built. But if you look out, I mean, you've got little mountains out there, you got these water reservoirs. Really an interesting place. And these fields are being used for farming. They're growing some crops out here just amongst these empty homes. I've never seen anything like this. I have seen a few farmers out here work in the fields. You can see out in the distance, it just goes on and on, both ways. This is so surreal. See the glass broken out. And those homes over there are built down a hill. There was never any road or path to even lead to them. So, curious what the thought process was there. It's just a home in a field. I mean, at least this one has like a road and driveway. And you can see these are private homes. Well, it looks like the birds are making good use of it. At least somebody's using these homes. Somewhat of a storage unit, I guess you could say. I'm gonna try going in one of these.
Hey guys, 你对汉语感兴趣吗? Do you know what I just said there? I just asked you if you were interested in Chinese in Chinese. Perhaps you were like one of so many who always said that they wanted to learn a foreign language. How many times have you heard or said that, but there was never any real follow-through? Well, there's no better time than today to get started. If you want to learn a foreign language, then I would highly suggest considering learning Chinese. There are Chinese speakers all over the globe, so your chances to put it to use will be readily available. I have partnered with the team at Excel Mandarin, and I encourage you to go check them out. They have a wide variety of courses, small class sizes, 24/7 support, and a comprehensive website full of resources that will help you in your Mandarin journey. Also, their teachers are native Chinese speakers, so you can be sure that you are learning authentic Chinese and will be able to speak with confidence. Contact them now and set up your free trial lesson. Completely free, no strings attached. You can contact them by phone or email, all links below. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot the most important part. Be sure to tell them that Mr. Chopsticks sent you. Okay, now back to the video.
This is crazy. This is crazy. There's the second floor. There's the broken glass. When you look out the window, you got a nice view of more empty homes. So surreal. We got a little bit of plumbing installed. I can tell you, we ain't getting upstairs. I can pretty much guarantee you that. And you look at the front, a very unique view. Well, there's some farmers over there. They're not residents, but they're making use of these of this land. This view, you can really see at least part of this village. You can get a nice view of it, and that's only one small part of it. I mean, and these are not small homes. These homes are quite large. There's the other side. Every home you can see is literally just a shell. Hundreds of them. Going to this house up here on top of the hill. That's my place. That's the one I'm calling home. This is a pretty amazing view. You can see a 180-degree panorama of all these empty homes. And out in the distance you've got the water reservoir. But I'm just arriving home. Feels good to be back home. Well, on second thought, doesn't exactly look easy to even get in there, so just gonna hang out here. This is wild though. I've never seen anything like it. And we're way out in the countryside in quite a remote area. Way down there. But when you look at it, we're up on this little one-way road. If two cars were coming, you wouldn't be able to pass. And then these homes were built way down a hill, a very steep embankment. So it doesn't look like there were any plans for roads or anything. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will tell you that I made a pretty big trip coming out here. I just wanted to show you all something different, something interesting, something that you won't see anywhere else. So I found it interesting. It is a bit creepy because there's like almost nobody out here, just a few farmers and all these empty houses. And of course, you know, you're not going to see any foreigners out here. I mean, we're in such a rural part of China, if these farmers saw me, they'd probably like, what in the hell, you know? Well, there you go. There's a little shack with a tree growing on top of it. Close out the video with a nice shot of this reservoir and just an all-around scene of this empty village. But if you did enjoy this video and you're interested in seeing other unique spots in China and other parts around Asia, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot more stuff on the way. Also, feel free to check me out on patreon.com or buymeacoffee.com if you'd like to support the channel a little bit more. Huge shout out to everyone who has been supporting me. It means a lot. Can't tell you how much I appreciate it. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap things up. I've got to try to get back to civilization because that's not gonna be that easy. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. 下次再见. And I hope I can get out of here pretty soon, because if you look at the sky over here, it's okay, but look over there, it's looking pretty ominous. Catch you in the next one, guys. I'm really going this time. See ya.
I want to give an extra special thanks to all of my YouTube members and Patreon supporters for their help in keeping this channel financially sustainable. A huge thank you to all supporters from the $1 tier on up through the higher tiers. I want to give an extra special acknowledgement to my PCO tier members. And lastly, a huge shout out to my top tier supporters: Lee, Martin S., David is Da Wei, and 有爱心的外国人. Oh, and just so you know, you guys rock.
What do you look for beyond the sea, grasshopper?